Hi guys, this is Ed and welcome to The Outer Dark. Before I go into my list, I would just like to say the video regarding the evidence that America is a coup d'etat at the moment was retweeted by none other than Steve Pieczenik, an expert in psychological warfare and the assistant secretary to General Ford, Jimmy Carter, and Ronald Reagan, and George W. Bush. I thought I'd just share that, and maybe that gives us a little clue that we're on the right track there. Anyway, back to my investigation today, and this really is at the heart of a number of grand conspiracies that we've talked about, and that is somewhere called the Тавistok Institute. Have you ever heard of it? Well, I hadn't either until recently. Anyway, guys, stay tuned as The Outer Dark brings you the top 5 dark secrets of the Тавistok Institute. Number 5. Before I go forward, just have to give credit where credit is due. A lot of what I am talking about is based upon the work of Dr. John Coleman and the work of Dr. Byron T. Weeks. Now that's out of the way, let's go into some context. What is the Тавistok Institute? Well, in 1947, the Тавistok Institute was formed to pull information from the social sciences, psychology, sociological studies, etc. I know what you're thinking. So what? Well, this is the first sign that something is wrong. And have a look at the next part, since although you've probably never heard of the Тавistok Institute, the Тавistok Institute operates with a $16 billion a year network of foundations within the United States. That is, all those foundations which are intertwined with the Тавistok Institute are paid for and funded by US taxpayer money. So think about that for a moment. This is a think tank based in London, but it has proxy money coming in through America. But where does the taxpayers' money go? Well, that brings us to number 4. A number of researchers have stated that all Тавistok and American Foundation techniques have a single goal, and that is to break down the psychological strength of the individual and render him helpless to oppose those in control. Any technique which helps to break down the family unit and family accumulated principles, that is religion, honor, patriotism, and sexual behavior, is used by Тавistok scientists as weapons of crowd control. Now, I know that you might be taken back a bit by that, and you might say, well, if this Тавistok Institute has such massive amounts of funding, then if this is its goal, then what evidence is there for this? Well, number 3, look at the change in our society, Western culture, since the Тавistok Institute has been in effect. Look at the steady downtrack in the educational systems at every level, the mass demoralization of the populace, the need to set every religion against each other, the need to set every race against each other, the need to set every sex against each other, and the need to set even every sexual preference against each other. Many researchers cite this, that is, the influx and demoralization of the total pool of society, as evidence that the Тавistok's Institute goals have indeed came into effect, and they are trying to destroy society from within so that it cannibalizes itself. We have gone to men who slept in the snow and women who worked themselves thin in the Great Depression, to people who need safe spaces, who cannot spell or even do simple math. The reduction of confidence in the female and male, to the rise of the demoralized male and female. So think about that for a moment. Think about the people from the past and think about the people now. And the only question is, was there a design to this? If there was, then the Тавistok Institute might very well be behind that design. Number 2, but what direct evidence, apart from society as a whole, is there that governments will do and actively try to brainwash people? Well, there is a program linked to the Тавistok Institute called MK Ultra, and this was not a tinfoil hat wearing conspiracy, because if you don't know, there were lawsuits filed in court, and the government was forced to pay out millions of dollars for actively trying to brainwash people, create Manchurian candidates. So this really did happen. But just sit back and ask yourself for a moment, what if it was still going on a mass scale, that there was some kind of active MK Ultra agents within our society at the heights of power, with programming that meant they could never step outside their predictive programming? Well, there's this strange one right here. The strange behavior of Al Roker on television when a certain phrase is mentioned. In this case, the phrase is Holy Ghost, which a number of people say is a key word. When he actually hears the phrase, he goes into a deep state, like he's supposed to listen to now his programmer. Anyway, take a look and let me know what you think.
Have a certain amount of distance between the bodies
exactly.
in junior high.
Yes, like they say in Catholic school, leave room for the Holy Ghost. Anyway, there is a lot of memories today, actually. It's a big day in music history.
35 years ago today, Elvis Presley passed away, the king of rock and roll. And as Mark Cohn says in his great song, Walking in Memphis, there's a pretty little thing waiting for the king down in the
room for the Holy Ghost. Anyway, there is a lot of room for the Holy Ghost. Anyway, there is a lot of memories today, actually. It's a big day in music history.
Number one, well, like all pieces of the puzzle, we have to gather enough pieces together, put them together, and then lean back and have a look to see if we can see an overall picture. And in order to see where we are today and how this relates back to the Тавistok Institute, let's look at another ominous clue. In 1938, Roosevelt executed an agreement that special assets within the intelligence agency were sent to the Тавistok Institute for indoctrination. That is, the best indoctrination techniques at the time were used on the intelligence assets to make sure they would not be swayed easily by counterintelligence operatives. So how do you indoctrinate those at the highest level of the intelligence agencies? That is, if we scroll a few decades forward. Well, a number of researchers have linked the Тавistok Institute with the direct rise of secret societies and their connections to those within the highest levels of the intelligence agencies and indeed power. What I'm saying is they find a secret society that already exists and they use it as a seed foundation in order to transfer people into, so you can indoctrinate them through ceremony, ritual, and religious experience. A type of complex form of psychological, sociological departmentalization. At this point, you're probably thinking, wow, do they really believe in the 40-foot owl that they pray to at the Bohemian Grove? First off, at the beginning, maybe they don't believe in it. That is, when it was round in the 1920s. But through the consolidation of power and generational influence and selecting people and placing them into positions of power, you soon create a kind of atmosphere, a framework that is palatable to creating a consolidated belief system that is in the structure that you inhabit. What I mean by that is that in the beginning, it might not have seemed like a big deal. It might have seemed silly to pray to a 40-foot owl, but after the generations go by, it becomes a doctrine, it becomes a reality. That is, the child effigy that they burn, suddenly at the end of the day becomes a real child. So apart from the demoralization of society at every turn, you've got the funding and execution of a type of select departmentalization with the intelligence and military circuit in order to control a subset of the actual people inside a secret organization and hold on to the reins of control. It is a really complex kind of framework that we're dealing with here, and it can really twist the mind. A number of researchers have stated that that was the real seeding of the secret societies, and that was the reason for them developing and being funded to such an extent. But at the end of the day, guys, you just have to decide what to believe for yourselves. Go on and do your own research and look into this. If you find new data or information that's a conflict to what I've presented, I'm always open-minded, so I'm completely willing to change my mind based on the data or any information that I think is plausible. I mean, at the end of the day, we are just trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together here, and it's extremely complicated. Anyway, guys, this is Ed from The Outer Dark, and please let me know what you think in the comments section. Do you reckon that the Тавistok Institute is really behind the birth of secret societies and demoralizing our societies in general, westernized civilization? Let me know whether you agree or not. In the meantime, this is Ed and from The Outer Dark, and I'll see you guys later.